I'll start. I'm Angela.
I'm Lawrence.
And we live in a 3D printed home by ICON.
So we were wanting to live in Austin. We were looking at some pretty expensive rentals. And I was like, let's give Wolf Ranch Genesis a look. Let's just go look.
My first impression was probably how strong the homes seemed and how strong they looked. I think we made the decision to purchase based on a combination of not wanting to throw our money away renting, so having something to invest in long term. Getting more space was gonna be really nice for us.
Wait, listen. It's so quiet. I think for me, that's the best benefit.
Even with construction going on. Our home is right next to 3 homes that are currently being built, so it's really cool to see the printer in action. I think also a benefit to the home is I really love the polished concrete floors. That keeps the house cool, especially for our dog. He likes to lay on them.
And I mean, this guy would tell you if he could, but I think that's, actually helps us maintain a lower temperature.
And I also think the walls, there's a blend of like modern minimalist, so you don't have to buy a lot to make the house feel like there's a design concept going on. The novelty of living in an ICON home is pretty awesome, being the first ones to do it.
We believe this is the future of home building.